Okay, we've made it to the very last little teaser video that talks about just some of the content we're covering in the upcoming one-day Retail Managers Bootcamp program that we're holding in Toronto on October 18th. By now, and if you go back through our feed, you'll see all these videos in there. You're gonna go, oh my God, all that content's gonna get delivered in this day. You'll come away with two things. If you look at that, you think, oh my God, it's a lot to cover. And two, oh my, if my managers grasp just 10% of what Graph's gonna cover in this program, they're gonna come back transformed and driving your business more than ever. The last module is great because it's a challenge we put out to everybody in there. We call it the 30-day average sale challenge. Here's what we do. We get their commitment that if they really paid attention to it, they could, if they really focused on it, improve your average sale, your average basket result by at least 10% in the next 30 days. The reality is we've done that with dozens of retailers and they prove it to themselves all the time. We give them a metric, we get them to pay attention to it, they chase it down, we build action plans on it, and people prove to themselves that the status quo on their metrics is just that, it's the status quo. It's not what it has to be. So they'll leave there having built out a plan of how to grow your average sale by at least 10%. And if you understand retail, you know a 10% bump in your average sale, assuming everything else stays the same, is a 10% growth rate in your total sales, which is far ahead of what most people have put out there for their corporate plans, just on that one key metric. Never mind everything else we're going to talk about in this program. So that's the last and maybe the best reason that you want to be able to get them into this program. There are a few seats left in this thing. It's running October 18th. It's coming up very soon. Click the link above. Get your people signed up, get them into the program. I guarantee you it will be the best day of their learning career this year. We will see you and your managers in the program.